this is Harry J from Ask Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pair your Apple Watch to your iPhone. Could be any version of Apple Watch and could be any version of iPhone. I'm using here, you can see this is iPhone 11. Could be iPhone X, iPhone 12, iPhone 8, 7. The process would be the same. Pro version, normal version is the same, or could be any Apple Watch. Now let's go to the phone. You have to unlock your phone by your Face ID. Here we go. After unlocking the phone, you have to go to Apple Watch option. Here we go. Hit the watch option and you see good evening. This phone doesn't have no watch paired with it, so I get this option, good evening, and start pairing at the bottom. I hit this one, set up for myself. So this watch I'm gonna use by myself. For connect your watch should be new, or a previous watch you have to reset your watch so you can connect back to your new iPhone. If you don't know how to reset your watch, check my video how you can do that. This watch is already reset. I put here, so I have to scan this skin. Look at here, I'm scanning now. The watch is detected. Okay, you see here some option. In this case, you see this option. It's a restore from backup and set up as a new watch. This watch already was connected to my phone, but I want to install as a new watch. I hit setup new Apple Watch. Hit this one. Left or right, which hand I'm gonna use? Normally I use my watch at the left side. I hit left. I agree term and condition. I have to put my Apple ID and password. I hit my Apple ID and password. I hit next button here. I'm here in this screen. It's telling me workout route tracking. I hit enable. I hit OK for Siri. Share with Apple. Don't share any information. I hit OK button. Create a password, a long password. Don't add any password. I don't want to add any password. If you want, do that. Hit continue. Continue. Install all the application and you can decide which app you want. I hit install all. And you can see the same time the watch starts the process. Here we go. So we'll wait till the process is done. It will take time. Normally this watch, they take a lot of time to pair. Hours, 2, 3, 4 hours, or even more in some cases. Here you see is written your Apple ID and phone number are now being used for iMessage and FaceTime on your new Apple Watch. I hit OK button, allow, and I give the permission. It's continue. We are almost close. Have to wait little bit more, few seconds. The ring took me almost 14-15 minutes to complete the process, but still I'm waiting. Let's see. It's almost there, little bit more. You see, I hear some vibration, all the apps, everything appear in my watch. Here in my phone, I see something, I hit OK button. So the watch has its Apple Watch. I can download more skin if I want, more option here and there. Okay, and here I can do too. I can change the skin option. You see, I have so many. I hit this one, select this one or this one, back button. You can set from your phone and any other place as you like. Okay guys, this is how you can connect your Apple Watch to your iPhone. Could be any version of phone or could be any version of Apple Watch. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye bye.